annexation. Together with a small beach at Flying Fish Cove, Lily Beach is the only second easily accessible beach available to Christmas Island residents. Christmas Island's climate is tropical with a mean annual temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Average yearly rainfall is about 178 centimeters. The island is covered with tropical forest. Christmas Island's oceanic forest has been disturbed only within the last century when mining of phosphate began. Now that phosphate mining is spreading over most of the island, the forest will be extensively modified, and much that is unique may be lost. However, redevelopment and readjustments of the flora and fauna after mining has ceased should prove an extremely interesting study. There are a lot of leisure activities and sports which one can enjoy on the island. And in circumstances such as this, particularly where sports team is a multiracial one, a combination of morale and spirit, serious crime is virtually unknown in the island's community.
Don't forget to
Christmas Island had been administered from the colony of Singapore since 1900, but on 1st of January 1958, it became a separate British Crown colony. On 1st of October of the same year, Christmas Island became an Australian territory. To mark the occasion, a Territory Day celebration is held on the first day of October every year, with lots of sporting activities, competitions, and maybe a community fair similar to the one shown here.
Hi, Martin. Hey, sorry. Huh?
Christmas Island residents support a wide range of sporting and recreation facilities, including swimming pools, a 9-hole golf course, tennis courts, cricket field, a boat club, badminton courts, a soccer field, and many other social clubs. 2 outdoor cinemas regularly screen English, Chinese, and Malay films free of charge. The estimated population by ethnic origin in 1979 was about 1,800 Chinese, 800 Malays, 450 Europeans, and 130 other races. A demonstration of skill in connection with safety presented by the Mining's Safety and Training Department and Police Force. Chinese New Year celebration with a lion dance performed by local Chinese residents. Christmas Island, people of many races, though mainly Chinese and Malays, have played a fundamental role in the industrial history of Christmas Island from the beginning. There is a mosque at the Malay kampong Flying Fish Cove for Muslim residents and a small school for religious instruction of Muslim children. There are several Chinese mini-temples distributed in main living areas. An annual celebration of the birthday of the Holy Prophet Muhammad by the Muslim community on Christmas Island.